The reason why we have our rabies clinics is that we want to increase the level of vaccination within the pet population, because we know that pets would be the first point of contact if they get in proximity to a wild animal that could be infected with the rabies virus. Your animals, if they're not vaccinated, could acquire that virus, and then ultimately you could be exposed as well through contact with your pets. So what would happen is if you have an altercation with an unknown animal, say a stray dog or another pet that you may not know whether or not they're vaccinated, and in particular if you are in contact with a wild animal, you want to seek medical attention right away, and you want to ensure that if you are bitten or scratched or have an exposure, that you're speaking to a healthcare professional right away, because we want to ensure that then that is reported to public health and we're able to conduct a risk assessment to determine what the next course of action would be. People from the public can take their pets to a couple locations close to Muskoka. We have clinics that will be held throughout October in Washago, Aurelia, and Oro-Medonte, and there's also a clinic available in Haliburton. So we encourage people to check out our website for those exact dates and times. And clinics are usually between $20 to $25 per animal, and those fees are set by the veterinarian, so you need to find out when you arrive what those prices will be, but they are fairly inexpensive, and we hope that people can access the clinic so they can increase the vaccination within their pets. Generally, we open up the opportunity to local veterinarians and notify them that they can participate, and we encourage that even up until the last day that we had the clinics advertised. And most importantly, that we want people to know that these clinics, although are specifically for receiving the rabies vaccine for the pets, we want them to also connect with their local veterinarian if they have one, so they can have a full wellness check completed for their animals just to make sure that they're healthy.